Hey guys, often the idron prop won't spin very well because this safety bracket. Here is example. When you turn this switch on, see this prop doesn't spin very well because this safety bracket blocked the spinning, right? If that is the case, you may reposition your safety clip in here. Just take this out and just put from the bottom like this, right? And then just drop back in like this, and let me turn this on. Idron, you see. So this is better, right? So now it works. So this is one of a tip you can solve this prop spinning program. Okay, thanks.